I get this.
Oh, thank you so much, my love.
Not so fast.
What?
Let me appreciate my beautiful wife.
Okay.
Hey. Why are you so fine? Jesus Christ. Why are you so beautiful? Hey. I love you so much. I love you with all my heart. We've been married for 7 years now.
Yes.
And my love for you keep growing each passing day.
I love you. I love you so much. You and our daughter are the most important thing in my life.
I promise you that I'll love you forever. I will always be there for you. I'll treat you right. Treat you nice. Like a queen that you are.
Of course. And I love you too.
Thank you for loving me back.
Thank you for loving me too.
Thank you so much, darling. So I want to show you something. Hey. You're the most important thing in my life.
You too, my love.
And I will never stop loving you.
Please don't. Don't stop.
Okay, so let's toast to a beautiful moment together.
Okay.
You have this? And I okay.
Because I know you're up to no good with that position.
Come on, don't be like this.
To us.
To us. To our beautiful marriage. So
Forever.
forever. That's the moment.
Cheers.
I'll always love you, darling. Always. This is different, yeah? Like you. Hey. Oh, honey. So I just need to hurry up to work and catch up with my...
Just be safe, okay?
Alright, darling. Hey, come here.
I miss you.
I miss you too, darling. Hey, I love you so much.
Love you too.
See you when I'm back, okay?
Okay. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Yes, darling. Take care of my baby girl.
Text me on your break, okay?
All right, I will.
Babe, did you forget something? You should have just called. What's this? Are you okay?
I'm sorry that I barged in on you unannounced.
Oh, come on. It's my house. You're welcome anytime. Are you okay? Are you fine? Is everything okay? You know what? Just please. Is everything okay? What happened? You're safe here, okay? What's wrong with this?
He beat me up again.
What?
Mike almost killed me.
What? Why would he do that to you? Oh God, that guy is a stupid man. Any man that lays his hands on a woman is a stupid man. So sorry, sis, okay? So sorry. Sis, you know what? You can stay here for as long as you want, okay? Don't go back to that house. Don't go back to that idiot, okay? You're welcome here, please. Oh God, I'm so sorry. So sorry. Welcome home, my love.
Darling, how are you?
I'm good.
Oh, God. I am so tired. Oh, thank you.
Right.
Oh,
Sorry.
Jesus.
How was work?
Work was okay.
At least it wasn't stressful today.
Oh, a little bit. But it's fine. I'm home now.
Right.
Where's my baby?
She's fine. Babe.
Oh, yeah.
Mira came home earlier today. She had a scuffle with her fiancé.
What? That idiot beat her up again?
Yeah.
God. He has the guts to lay his filthy hands on a woman he wants to spend the rest of his life with.
I don't know. It infuriates me.
Maybe I should pay him a visit. Let's go talk man to man. Let me see if he has the balls to face me.
Maybe there's no need for that. The good thing is that she's already here, so there's no need to do that.
Oh, God. So how's she holding up?
Well, she's here now, and I told her that she can stay here as long as she wants. Babe, I'm sorry I didn't get to talk to you about it first.
Oh, no, that's fine. It's nothing. I mean, she's your sister, right? She can stay as long as you want.
Thank you, honey.
But you know you should allow me to teach that idiot a lesson of his life.
Babe, I know you. I know how your anger works. If you confront him now, the next thing we'll be talking about is prison. Please, I don't want that, please. There's no need to waste your energy on him.
It's fine. You know me so well. So where is she?
She's sleeping in the guest room. Let me go check up on her, okay?
It's alright. I'll just
you.
be upstairs waiting for you.
Okay, baby. Take it easy.
Alright. It's fine. God, I'm so tired.
Sorry.
It's fine, darling. Hi, Mira. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
I hope you're feeling better now.
I guess I'm fine now. I'm better.
Okay. Alright then.
Sorry for coming to your house uninvited.
Oh no, it's nothing. There's nothing to be sorry about. You're a family, remember?
Thank you.
Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry at all. Hey. You good?
Yeah.
I'm lazy to watch the games. I'll see you later.
Okay. Bye. Alright. My husband at work.
Girl, you're so lucky. Just look at that. After a child, a daughter, he still loves you. He still respects you. He cares about you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, sis.
Unlike that useless idiot that dealt with me. Wasted 4 years of my life. Was just beating me. He turned me into a punching bag.
So sorry, sis. So sorry.
See you now. You're lucky. I'm happy for you. Right from growing up, you've been the lucky one. Nothing works for me. Everything works for you.
Sis,
It's
please
your
don't
luck.
say it like that. I don't want it like that, okay?
Guess I'm destined to be like this.
Sis, don't say it like that, alright? I'm here for you. You know you taught me some things too.
Yeah.
God. Take it easy, okay?
Hey, princess!
I have missed you so much.
I have missed you too, baby.
Sis,
Look
well
at
done.
you! You look so big now. You're even bigger than your auntie.
That's not true, Auntie Mira. You are pulling my leg as always.
Alright, let's go get you changed, okay? You come back and play
Welcome,
with Auntie
sis.
Mira. Alright, thank you. Okay. Okay, see.
Babe,
Yes,
tomorrow
darling.
is our daughter's discussion. And as parents, one of us have to go with her.
That has to be you then.
No, babe, I went with her the last time. It's your turn.
Listen. You know I'd love to go, right? Yes, I would really love to be there, but I have this deadline to catch up with and it's really important. Please.
Babe, the excursion is weekend.
Honey, come on. I beg you, just go for me. We've got these major clients coming in and the company's counting on me and I just have to be there.
But your daughter is counting on you too.
Darling.
Babe, I can't just up and leave. My sister, she's around. I have to be here to take care of her.
Come on. It's just for the weekend. Besides, Mira is an adult. She can take care of herself. Please. Just one time. Come on.
Fine.
Thank you. I love you, darling. I'm leaving very early tomorrow, so I need to rest. I love you.
I'm going to miss you, Auntie Mira.
I'll miss you too, my baby.
Sis, please call me, okay? If you need anything. We're only gone for the weekend. Please.
Sis, I'll be fine. I'm not a baby.
Okay.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. Take care of yourself and the house.
Oh, of course.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Bye,
Auntie Mira.
bye, baby. Bye, sis. Drive carefully.
I will.
Hi. Welcome.
Yes.
I made delicious meal for you. I don't know. Should I dish it already?
Oh no, I can't stay. I just dashed in for a change of clothes. Yeah.
Change. Oh, hold on. Are you rushing to somewhere?
Yes, my company is hosting a party for one of our biggest clients.
Please, can I go with you? I'm dying of boredom in this house.
Go with me?
Yes, please.
Are you sure you want to come? Because it's not your regular kind of party.
I don't mind. Can I?
Alright, just change up, let's go.
Oh, okay, let me change it.
Please be fast about it. Yeah.
I'm so sorry for keeping you.
Oh no, it's...
So tell me, how do I look?
You. You look amazing.
Thank you. Shall we?
Oh yeah, sure. After you. Jesus Christ.
We have been colleagues for years, and I don't know you to be a cheat. Are you cheating on Bella?
Come on, what is wrong with you? See your dirty mind. How would you think that? Alright, listen. I can never cheat on my wife, okay? I can't do it. Well, for your information, that is Mira, my wife's elder sister.
No way.
No, yes way. Crazy dude.
So you mean Bella has this damn self as a sister? You didn't deem it fit to introduce us. Introduce me.
Lord, so that is your problem. Introduction.
Yes.
That's what you want, right?
Yeah.
Come on, introduce you. Crazy guy. So, Mira, this is Dante, my colleague at work, and a very good dude. So, Dante, this is Mira, my in-law, my wife's elder sister.
It's nice to meet you, Mira.
Same here.
So, guys, if you'll excuse me, I need to go upstairs and see Mr. T. We'll be back shortly.
Okay.
Relax, okay? I'll see you when I'm coming. Buddy?
Okay, see you soon. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Mira. You care for your dance?
I don't mind.
Oh. It's fine.
The night is still very early, so I thought we could do justice to this bottle.
Oh no, Mira, I don't think so. I have an early morning call tomorrow, so maybe next time, yeah.
Come on, Ben. Don't be a party popper. Please.
Just one glass. Huh?
Yeah, just one glass. Come on, drink up. Drink up. Yeah. That's my brother-in-law. Let me top up a little.
No.
Just little. Just little.
That's enough.
Oh, okay. So drink up.
Sure.
That's my brother-in-law.
Hey, Ben. What's up, man?
Oh, no, please. I have a lot on my mind.
Are you okay?
Dante, not now. I have a lot on my mind.
Hey, Ben. Whatever you have in your mind, you need to keep that thought. Because what I want to be hearing right now is just Mira.
Seriously, man. I said not now. I have a lot on my mind. I just told you a while ago.
But
I said stop! I need to be left alone.
are you okay? It's fine. I understand. It's fine. It's okay. Well, I want you to take care of yourself, okay? See you around.
Hi.
Mira,
Welcome.
we need to talk about last night. Hey, let's don't come close to me, please. We need to talk about last night. Listen, I know I'm not supposed to ask your face, but please think about your sister. Think about her mental health. How would she feel when she finds out about what happened between us? How?
Ben, stop it. Stop! It was a mistake. What happened has happened. We were drunk. And it happened. Shit happens.
I never should have accepted that drink with you. But then again, the deed is done.
Well,
I'm sorry if I took advantage of the situation.
it wasn't our fault. What happened has happened. Okay, fine. Maybe we are wrong. Well,
Don't touch me. I'm glad you understand. I'm sorry once again. Excuse me.
Babe.
Hi, honey. How are you? I'm okay. I hope you guys are on your way already. What? What happened? Is everything okay with my daughter? Oh, okay. An accident? Oh. For how long? I miss you guys so much. I miss you more than you can ever imagine. Oh yeah, she's okay. Hey, I can't wait to see both of you, okay? I've missed both of you so much. I miss my baby girl. I'll see you guys soon, okay? Hey, send me hello to my lovely daughter. Tell her I love her so much. Alright.
Oh, Ben. You know, you can't keep avoiding me. You know, we live in the same house now.
Listen, don't touch me, please. I've had a very long day, okay? I need to go and rest. Excuse me, please.
Wait.
What's wrong with you?
Wait! Why are you trying to deny me?
Something inside so strong, pushing me closer to you. Something I can't explain. Trying so hard to resist, but I'm falling for you.
Honey, we're home.
Oh,
Everyone, we're home.
hey, look who we have here.
I missed you so much.
I missed you too, baby girl. Good to have you back. Hey, honey, come here.
We thought it wise to surprise you.
Oh, well, you guys actually did surprise me.
Yeah, saying, I want to go home to my daddy.
I know, right? Come here, baby girl. Daddy's here, honey. I miss you so much, darling. Now that you guys are back,
Okay.
why don't we go upstairs and have talk? Hey,
Right.
darling. I'll make you go first.
Oh! This is the part I don't like.
Come on, she wins. What would you have with you? I love her so much. So, Miss Daddy?
Yeah, 'cause I need you by my side. There could be more to the times we stare at each other. There could be more to the times we share together. The more we try to pretend there's nothing going on, the stronger our love becomes. Could this be love or just your imagination? Could this be love or just your fantasy? Where do we go heart is driving me crazy. Yeah.
Hey, honey. You are back. Honey, what is the issue? Is it work? Listen, whatever it is that is bothering you, you know we can fix it.
This can't be fixed. Can't be fixed.
Then what is the problem, babe? Honey? My love! What's wrong? Sis, I honestly think something is up with Ben.
Why did you say so?
Because he seems distant. He's not communicating with me. And this is unlike him.
You know men. You know men, they are full of pride. Their ego is too much. If you ask me, I would just say you should just forget about it. Don't even ask him. You need to give him space.
You think so?
I know so.
But then again, sis, did he share anything with you? Like maybe something he's going through at his place of work, his office, something?
We barely talk. So, nothing of such.
It's really disturbing me. This is unlike my husband, for real, sis.
What's up, man? You have been acting weird for some days. What did they solve? What did they happen?
Auntie, I'm fine. I'm very okay. It's just that I'm a little bit tired, that's it.
A little bit, you said? Come on, man. You can talk to me. I know it's been working for long. You know me, I know you. Ben, talk to me. Say something, please.
Like I said earlier, I am fine. I'm just a little bit tired. It's nothing I can't handle. Well, thank you for looking out for me. Thank you for making sure I'm fine. I really appreciate it. Then again, I can handle this. Thank you.
Oh, Ben, you better handle it well. That will not affect your job, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, so see you soon, okay?
Stop it!
Stop what? What's wrong with you? Come on, Ben. You know you want me. You like me. Why are you trying to deny the fact?
Hey, stop it! Stop it, okay? I am married to your sister. Have you no conscience? What is wrong? What's wrong with you?
Conscience, you see?
Jesus Christ.
You weren't thinking of conscience when you were screaming my brain out. Hmm? Do you want me to scream?
Hey, listen. It's our anniversary, okay? Respect that, please. Listen, your sister deserves all the happiness in the world, and I am going to give her that, okay? Get that into your thick skull.
I don't mind sharing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for keeping you.
Oh, it's fine.
I was trying to straighten my hair.
You look so beautiful.
Thanks, baby.
Oh.
Sorry it took so long. I was trying to straighten my hair.
It's fine, honey. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You look so beautiful.
Thanks, sis.
Sis, please, can you help us take care of Princess? We won't be out for long.
Oh, sure. Why not?
Thank you.
You know what? You two just go out there and have fun. Once again, happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Okay, bye, sis. Today.
Honestly, sis, yesterday, my husband, he was something else. He went all out. My goodness, he wanted to kill me. He felt like it was our honeymoon again. He kept on going on and on and on. I'm like, baby, please, it's okay, it's enough. Don't come and kill me. So sorry, sis. I know that you haven't had some in a while. See, again. Babe, that reminds me. Mira is seeing someone.
What?
You didn't know?
I...
Dante.
Oh, yes. Dante, yeah. I actually introduced them, yeah, sure.
So who did you think I was talking about?
Oh, well, I knew you meant Dante, but my mind was just somewhere else at the moment, that's why.
Your mind seems to be traveling a lot these days. Do you care to share?
Hey, babe, that's nothing. You know, it's work and you know it can be sometimes very hectic and draining, yeah, nothing serious.
Right.
Yeah.
Work.
Oh, yeah, sure. I had to focus on what I was doing. Yeah. This guy I was talking about.
Ben,
Yeah?
guess what?
What?
Bella invited me over for dinner.
Bella did what?
She invited me over for dinner.
Dante, I hope you know what you're getting yourself into. Because Bella sees you as a potential husband for her sister already. You need to know that.
Is that such a bad thing? What if I need that?
See who is talking? Are you serious? See who wants to be somebody's husband? Yeah, you done flexing your girls in this state? Come on, man, knock it off.
For real, man. See, I've been playing the dating game for long. But Ben, I actually want to settle down. And I think Mira is the best person for me. For real.
Would you look at that? My man is finally thinking about settling down. That is really nice. Hey, listen. I am happy for you, okay? It's a very nice step you're about to do. But then, good luck to you.
So you get ready to be my best man, okay? So, let's finish our work before our MD will have our head off.
Right.
Yeah. So,
I'm telling you, it's really, really difficult.
Dennis, I wonder how people cope out there. Economy is really crumbling.
Yes, it is.
Before our very eyes. You see, men are suffering.
My brother,
Real.
people are going through a lot. Exactly. A whole lot.
I think the government should be held accountable.
And who is going to hold them accountable? When the youths that are supposed to hold them accountable, they are just blocking their faces saying that, oh, I'm not directly affected. I am so excited that you'll be getting married to my husband's colleague.
Wait a minute. Just rewind back. Did I hear you correctly? Getting married? Who is getting married? Dante and I, we are nothing but just friends.
Please don't say that. Because Dante is a great guy. He has been visiting this house frequently and even asked for my permission to date you. So what's wrong?
Well, let me ask you, must everybody get married? As for me, I don't want to get married to Dante or any man.
Come on, this guy is going to take care of you. This guy is responsible. He's not going to beat you or do anything wrong to you. Sis. So you're not going to say anything? Okay. If you want my advice, I advise you think about it. Because he's a great guy. And we'll be getting married to someone close.
Is she kidding me? Get married to that? Please.
Hey, baby.
Hey, stop it. What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Why are you doing this? Why?
You know exactly why I'm doing this.
Stop, don't touch
Baby,
me.
wait, listen.
Jesus Christ.
I love you.
You love
I'm going crazy. Baby, I born over you.
Stop!
I want to eat you.
Oh, God of Nazareth. Hey. Jesus Christ. Listen. Are you okay? I don't know why you're doing this, but I want you to understand something. That I am married to your sister, and I want you to respect that. You understand?
Who cares?
Well, if you don't care, I do.
Come on, baby. Have you forgotten how you were screaming at the top of your voice? I want you, and I'm going to have you.
Jesus Christ.
Babe, have you forgotten? Have you forgotten?
Jesus Christ.
We'll see in this house. Rubbish.
Babes, you get bad character, eh? So if I don't come to this your house to look for you, you won't come to look for me, Abi?
It's not like that. A lot has been going on, and then my sister, she's around.
Mira, your sister is still around.
Yes. Why?
Babes, I know she's your sister and you trust her, but she should know not to stay in a married man's house till this time now. Haba.
Come on, stop now. My sister, she's going through a lot this period. And besides, I told her that she can stay as long as she wants.
And your husband, he's okay with it?
Why won't my husband be okay with it? Why won't he be okay with my sister coming to visit me for the meantime? Of course he is.
Okay, if you say so.
You know what? Let's forget about that, okay? So, how far now? Where are your goods that you brought from Dubai?
Now talk is different, so goods that came in since 2 months ago is now that you're asking about it now.
My bad. My bad, I'm very sorry, my dear friend. You know what? Next time you bring your goods from Dubai, I will be the first person to patronize you.
No problem.
You cannot be angry with your friend now.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, drink so that I'll know that you're not angry with me.
It's okay, don't worry.
Okay, so we do 22. Yes, 22. That's equals
44.
brilliant. That's brilliant.
Mommy, when is Daddy coming back?
Baby, Daddy will be back home soon, okay?
I miss Daddy. I want Daddy to come play with me.
Okay, baby, let's do it like this. First, we'll finish your assignment. And when you're done with it, then we can call Daddy to come play with you. How about that?
Promise?
Promise. All right, let's go. So, 33 plus 33.
66.
Girl! 66.
Where have you been? I have been texting and calling you. Where did you go?
Please don't talk about this anymore. I promise you won't talk about it. I'm very tired. Please.
Okay. Just try to take off your time now so you can sleep well.
Honey, what's wrong? You've been so distant lately.
It's nothing. It's nothing at all.
Please don't tell me it's nothing. I am your wife. I'm not just a stranger to you. Something is bothering you. What is it? Please talk to me.
Well, the company might be downsizing and it's giving me concern.
Shit.
One day you might have a job and the next day you don't. It's really sickening.
Babe, don't worry, okay? There's no way they are going to lay you off. You're so hardworking. You've put in so much into this company. I'm not just going to be laid off like that, so you don't need to worry about it.
Oh, honey, the truth is, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't. They don't care how much effort you've put in, how long you've worked with them. They don't care. When the ship sinks really deep.
Everything is going to be alright. Okay? Hey, sugar! Hey, boo-boo.
Hey, don't touch me. What do you want?
Come on, boo-boo. You already know what I want.
Come to the chase. I'm running late for work already. What do you want?
Okay, quick one. I want to have you again. I mean, don't you miss all of this? You know how it is.
Don't be stupid, Mira. Don't be stupid. What is wrong with you? Your sister could come out at any time. Can't you think?
Who cares?
Who cares?
Well, I want you. I want you today, and I will have you. You need to meet me up somewhere today. And you know what will happen if you don't meet me up? I will just tell my sister everything that she needs to know.
Don't even dare. Not in your life.
Okay. So you will meet me up. I'll give you the address and the room number. I will text it to you. Else you want my beautiful sister to know everything about us. Hello. I can't wait to have you.
If you're having issues with Bella, better sort it out. Or rather, you see a therapy.
I'm Bella, fine. I'm very fine.
So what is the problem? Don't tell me that. It's eating you up, clearly.
Nothing's eating me up. Like I told you, I'm fine. I'm just a little bit stressed, that's it.
Well, if you say so. What first thing remains is, I need my man back. Wherever you kept him, please bring him back. Ben!
Babes, which one do you like? Do you like this black one? Or this wine color? Bella. Bella!
Oh, sorry. Did you say something?
What's going on with you? I mean, your mind has been preoccupied all day long. What's wrong?
Honestly, I think Ben is up to something. But I can't figure it out.
How do you mean?
He's been distant lately. He's not even paying attention to me. He acts like the world is on his shoulder. And whenever I ask him, he's always telling me his work problems.
Maybe his work problems. I mean, you know how men are. Maybe he just doesn't want to bother you with his, issues.
I honestly don't think it's work problems. I think something is going on, but I can't wrap my fingers around it.
Wait, something like what? Do you think he's cheating on you?
No, I don't think so. Ben has never cheated on me before. See, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know.
See, I think you should confront him.
Confront him and tell him what? I should just walk up to him and say, babe, are you cheating on me or something? I'm going to sound crazy. I don't think I want to do that. In fact, maybe I'm the one overthinking things, okay? Maybe it's really work problems. I don't want to cause problem for myself or my marriage.
Babes, if you don't ask him, you see this thing eating you up. It will keep eating you up. I think you should ask him.
I know, right? You know what? Let's just let it go, okay?
If you say so.
Yeah. So, which one are you giving to me for free as your friend?
Just pack everything. Pack everything now. I dash you. Carry everything.
I don't understand.
I beg. Select the one you want.
Free in your hand.
Pay me. Select the one you want and pay my money, Joe.
Okay. Here we go.
Thank you.
Me, I'm ready for gist.
Okay.
How far with you and Dante? Should I start selecting Ashobi?
Bella.
Yes, sis.
Every relationship must not end in marriage.
So you know, Dante and I, we are nothing but just casual friends.
That's to you. Dante that I see, he is ready to do the needful. You are just the one stalling.
Whatever. Wait though. You expect me to be with Dante?
Of course, he's a cool guy.
That's low life. A common PA. PA! Ordinary PA, nothing else. What happens to someone like your husband? Why are you so lucky with everything in this life? Why am I the unlucky one in this life? Why?
Sis, don't put it
Smart than that, he will start beating me like that, my useless ex.
Oh, so all of this is because of your ex?
That man hurt me. He dealt with me. I don't want to talk about him, please.
So sorry, sis. Honestly, I think you need a therapist. Yes, that way you can get to clear your head and have an open mind to things again.
Don't worry, I'll be fine, sis.
Of course I'll be worried. You are my sister, my big sister.
You know I love you, right?
I know, and I love you too.
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Okay, if you say so. But then that Dante guy is not bad though, honestly. He's a cool guy. He talks well, he acts right.
Him.
Dante, please be honest with me. Do these downsides affect Ben?
What downsides?
The company's downsides.
Oh,
Ben is afraid that
wow.
because of the situation in the company, he's going to be laid off, and I'm worried about it.
So you mean the downsides at the company?
Yes.
I don't know. Ben always disturbs himself over nothing. See, let me tell you something. The company needs him more than he needs them.
Exactly what I told him. I told him that he has put in a lot of work into this company and they can't just lay him off like that. But he wouldn't listen to me.
Don't worry, sister-in-law. I'll talk to him, okay? Just relax yourself.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's going to be alright.
Thank you.
Ben, what am I hearing that you're about to get laid off? Ella confronted me and I do not know what to say. She did. You see, she cares about you. So am I.
Hey, listen, buddy. Nothing is going on, okay? Nothing. It's just that this project I'm handling is taking so much of my time. And she's complaining that I don't give her time. I don't spend time with her in the house. I don't spend time with the family, the baby. That's it.
What are you saying? Babe, we are on this together. On this project together. So that will not fly.
I know, Dante, but I'm just getting worked up by the job and the work generally, so...
Well, you can say that to your wife because she's really worried about you. She is.
Yeah, I will. I'll talk to her about it.
Babe, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for all you do for me, our daughter, for providing, supporting, and taking care of us. Thank you.
Hey, come on, darling. You don't have to thank me, okay? You, my daughter, meant the world to me, okay? And I love you so much, and I will always love you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being part of my life.
Thank you for being part of my life as
Come
well.
on, I should be thanking you. Come on, don't be like that. So, I was...
Why are you smiling as if you won a jackpot?
Sis, this is more than a jackpot. My husband is back. Ben is back. After last night and this morning, he's back to the husband that I married. Can you stop teasing me, babe? Like, sis, I'm so happy right now. My husband is behaving himself and I'm loving it. Yes, baby. Of course. Of course I want it. Okay.
I love him. He should love me in return, not her. I want him. He should also want me, not her. Why haven't you been taking my calls all day?
Because I have been very busy. What do you want from me? What?
We need to talk.
Listen, you and I have nothing to talk about, okay? Just let me be.
Okay. I will tell my sister everything she needs to know.
Tell what? Hey, come here. What's wrong with you?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
See anything else?
Leave me alone. Ah!
Baby!
Yeah, honey.
Yeah, you're good,
Is
right?
everything okay?
Yes, darling, yes, sure. I just got
My-
back and I was just trying to say hello to your sister.
He was
Yeah.
trying to stretch my muscle.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, let's
okay.
go home, let's go. I miss you. Come on, let's go.
Baby, okay,
Today was fun. I had the best moment of work today. Like, I had so many clients.
Really?
Yes, I like today. I just can't stop telling you how amazing it was.
Ah, Lord.
I called you to tell you something. What is it? See, someone is trying to block me.
What did you just say?
You heard me. Someone is trying to blackmail me, and the person is threatening to tear my family apart.
Who is that? Talk to me, Ben. Talk to me. Who is that?
It's Mira. I had sex with Mira, and she's blackmailing me. She's threatening to tear my family apart. Look, it was a mistake. We didn't plan for it. I didn't plan for it.
You mean you slept with Mira? The lady I love?
Dante, it's not what you think.
Ben!
Dante, it's not what you think. It was a mistake. The night it happened, both of us were drunk. And the next thing we found ourselves on the bed. It wasn't intentional. And now she's trying to blackmail me. She wants to tell her sister, and then I'm just afraid my home will be destroyed. I don't even know where to start from. I'm telling you this because I know you are a man, you understand better. Listen, Mira is not what you think she is. She makes you believe she's an angel, she's innocent, but deep down, she's a demon.
No wonder she refused my advances towards her. I guess she doesn't love me. She doesn't.
I don't know what to do. I don't want her to tell my wife. I don't want her to tell Bella. I don't want to hurt Bella. I don't want to lose my family. I don't want to lose my daughter. I don't want to lose...
Ben, what do you think we should do now?
I don't know. I'm confused. Dante, I'm confused. I've been restless for weeks.
Okay, Ben, why don't you go to the police station and report this? Why not?
From there, I went to the station to report this. And they were laughing at me, saying that I should be grateful that the woman wants to have her way with me. Are you kidding? They wouldn't take my report. They refused to take my report. This is crazy.
That means you are in big mess already.
My only fear is my wife. I don't want Bella to find out about this. Like, I don't want to hurt her.
So what do we do now?
Daddy, I don't know. I don't know how I found myself in. I don't know how I got myself in this mess.
Shit. Ben, I
feel for you.
Why is he not picking my calls? No. I can't believe this. No, he cannot dump me. You cannot dump me, oh. You cannot dump me. Ben, you cannot dump me. You cannot use me and dump me. It's not possible now. I must have you. If I don't have you, no woman will have you.
Honey, I'm home.
Don't you dare come close to me. How dare you? How dare you cheat on me with my sister?
What?
And you didn't want to have sex with her. You forced yourself on her. And now she's pregnant.
I forced myself. Mira's pregnant.
How could you?
Jesus Christ, what?
What I need right now is for you to tell me the truth. Did you have sex with my sister?
Honey, please.
I'm asking you a question! Did you or did you not?
Honey, please calm down. I can explain what happened. Please,
That's not what I'm asking you. What I'm asking you is the truth. Did you have sex with my sister?
Baby, please, come.
You know what? Just look me in the eye. Tell me. Did you have sex with my sister? Yes or no?
Don't listen to this.
I'm asking you a question! This is true.
Oh, please. That's not what you think. Let me explain. Please.
Don't you dare touch me.
Don't
you dare touch
me. Honey, please. Jesus. Please, honey. It's only a thing. I beg you. I can explain what happened.
Leave me alone!
Jesus Christ. Honey, I beg you in the name of God, please. You're not there and... Please.
Go downstairs right now.
Please, I beg you, please.
There's no need for all of this nonsense. Just
please,
leave me alone.
Don't do this.
Leave me alone. Don't you touch me. Don't you dare touch me. Princess, let's leave.
Mommy, why do we have to go? I want to stay with Daddy.
No, baby, we can't stay here. We need to leave now. You can't stay with Daddy, okay? We have to leave now.
Honey, please, I beg you, don't take my daughter away from me. You're the only family I have. Please, I'm begging you, please.
You should have thought about that before doing what you did. Baby, let's go. Let's go!
Please.
Make me yell at you.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Please, I'm sorry, please. Let me explain what happened.
Leave me alone! Don't you dare touch me! Just leave me. Listen, Ben, if you follow me, I am going to scream and the neighbors will hear about this.
Don't leave me like this. Where do you want me to go? Please, I beg you, please. Honey, please. I beg you, please. I beg you.
How dare you?
Let me explain.
Leave! Please, don't play. Don't play. Don't push it, okay?
Please. Don't talk to your mom. Please.
Don't make me
please,
yell.
I beg. Hey, honey. Please, sweetie.
Leave.
I'm finished. Please, I beg you. See, I'm not going to, please. Jesus Christ, what have I done, Jesus Christ? What have I done? Oh, God, I'm finished. You. What are you still doing here? You blood-sucking demon! You daughter of Jezebel. Get out! Get out, boss! Get out! Get out! Get out! Fool!
I can't believe Ben cheated on you. And out of everybody in this world, is your sister. Men has come.
I honestly don't know what to do. This is just too much for me, Jane. This is too much.
Stop crying. This too shall pass. You will overcome it, I promise. But I can't believe, of all people, your sister.
It's really shocking, but she claims that he forced himself on her. I don't just know what to do.
You need to stop crying. Stop crying. I mean, you can stay here as long as you want. Okay? Stop crying.
This is too much. This is just too much.
Hey man. What's up? Calm down. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get yourself killed?
Go away, please. Just go away. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You're not sure at the office today. Are you intentionally trying to fire yourself? I had to cover for you today at the office.
I don't care whatever happens to me right now. I don't care. I've lost everything. Everything that matters to me is gone. My wife, my child. I don't care, please. Please don't help me. Help me get my family back. I beg you, please.
Listen to me, man. Listen to me. You will get your family back. But first, you need to get yourself clean. Because you look dirty already.
You're talking about getting myself cleaned up and talking about my family.
I understand. I understand. But not this way. Not this way.
Babes. Babe, what's wrong? You've been moody all day. What's going on?
Everything that is important to me is taken away from me just like that. How do I survive?
You will survive. You will survive, babes. I mean, you have to live for your daughter. What is she going to say if she comes and she sees you like this looking all broken and defeated?
How will I be able to do that? I don't have any strength left in me. I'm so tired.
You'll be fine. Babes, see, time they say heals all wounds. You'll be fine. Come here. Stop crying. I want you to stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Come here.
Thank you.
You'll be fine. What do you want here, Ben?
Sorry, please, I need to speak to my wife, please. Please help me.
Your wife is not here.
She's not here. Just listen, Jen. I know she must have told you everything that happened. But please, she's still my wife. And I love her so much. Please. I just want to talk to her for a little while and I'm gone. I need to see her, my daughter, please.
Your wife is not here. And even if she is, I will not let you inside of my house. Ben, I think you need to leave right now before I call the police on you.
Are you being serious?
Leave my house.
I beg you.
Right now, this minute. Leave my house. Leave. now, this very minute. Leave.
What are you doing here, Mira? How did you get in here? I think I'll have to fire my secretary. Please get out of my office.
You don't need to do that. She was not seated, so I had to come in.
Mira, what do you want from me? What do you want from me? Leave me alone. Leave my family alone. Please get out before I call the security on you.
Come on, Ben. Don't you miss me? I mean, don't you miss all of this?
You know what? You must be sick in the head to think that I will leave my wife for you. You're sick. Please get out.
She doesn't want you anymore. Why are you killing yourself over her?
Oh, it's your business. How is it your business?
Oh, you think I don't know? You think I don't know that you went looking for her?
This is serious. Also, you have been following me around, right? Listen, I have filed a restraining order against you. So please, kindly get out of my office before I call the security on you.
Come on, sugar. I have missed you. I know you love me.
Mira.
Yeah, I love you right back.
Get out of my office.
Babe, hold on. You know what? I love you right back.
Don't love me.
And I miss everything about you.
Mira, get out.
I miss you, sugar. And I can't wait to kiss you.
I said get
again.
out.
Don't pretend.
Are you sick? Mira, get.
How are you?
I think you need to talk to Ben. You really...
Baby, what's wrong?
You and Dad still fighting.
Who told you that?
Well, my friend in school, Happy, she told me that her dad and her mom used to fight all the time and she got separated from her dad, which makes her sad.
Baby, myself and your dad are not getting separated, okay?
Okay. I want to go back home. I miss Daddy. I miss my home.
Don't worry, baby. You will go back home. But for now, let's just stay at Auntie Jane's place, okay?
Okay.
I was so surprised when I got your text requesting to meet you here. Thank you so much. This means a lot to me.
I came because I wanted you to look me in the eye and tell me why. Why, for all the people, of all women on planet Earth, you chose to sleep with my sister? Why?
Babe, it was never my intention to have an affair with your sister. Not for a day, not for a second. The first time it happened, we were both drunk. We just got back from the party and we had a few drinks, and the next time we found ourselves on the bed and I didn't just know how it happened.
What?
That wasn't what Mira told me.
I swear on my daughter's life, that was exactly how it happened. I swear. Then she started blackmailing me into sleeping with her constantly. And that if I don't, she will tell you everything. I didn't know how to go about it.
Mira told me that you continuously forced yourself on her and threatened her.
That is a lie. She's a terrible liar. I swear to God, she's a manipulator. She wants to destroy what we have shared for so many years. Please, don't let her come in between us. I beg. Please.
Honestly, I don't know how to. I think I have to go. This is just too much for me.
No, I'm telling you the truth. I swear. Bella, please. Bella, please. Please. I'm telling you the truth, please. I'm saying the truth.
Ben told me that they were both drunk the day they had something. But that wasn't how Mira put it to me.
And you believe Mira?
She's my sister.
What if she's lying?
Why would she want to lie to me? She's my sister, my flesh and blood. She wouldn't want to do anything to harm me or destroy my home.
Listen, babes. I know Mira is your sister and you trust her and all of that. But how well do you know your sister? I mean, think about it. How well do you know her?
She came to see me. That must mean something, right?
What did she say?
She said she wanted to know the whole truth. Nothing but the truth. Apparently, Mira has fed her with so many lies.
So do you think she wants to come back?
I hope so. I miss my family so much. I miss my beautiful daughter. I miss my lovely wife. I miss being around them. I miss the bond we share. I miss every moment. I just want to be around them again. I just want to be with them. I want my family back.
Babe, I know how you feel. Especially losing a loved one. Babe, I know I'm not married yet. Please, give it time.
I just want to be with my family again. I miss my beautiful wife, my lovely daughter. I just want to be around them again. I want them back to the outside. I want them.
Like him. I miss you so much, Ben. Don't worry, baby. We will reunite soon. I love you so much, darling. I love you.
It's a pity she's your sister. Throughout the course of the relationship, I tried satisfying her, but she was never contented at any point in time. I go extra mile to the extent of cooking for her, doing all the house chores. She doesn't lay her hands on anything. And even to make matters worse, she aborted my pregnancy without my consent.
Mira was pregnant? She never mentioned anything about being pregnant. She only said you were always beating her and making life unbearable for her in the...
Mike, enough of these flimsy excuses. You must give me that money. That 300,000 that I asked you to give me for her. You must give me the money. Eh?
Mira, you know I would have given you the money if I have the money. The truth is I don't have that amount of money with me at the moment. My salary can barely get us through the month. So where do you expect me to get that kind of money from?
Liar! You are nothing but a loser! You see that 300,000? You must give it to me. When you came to approach me, you told me, you promised me heaven and earth that you will give me anything I need. Now I need 300,000. You can't even give me for my hair. Please, I need that money.
Babes, I need you to reason with me.
I should reason with you. As P square or as understanding girlfriend. Which one? I beg. The only reason I want to reason now is that 300,000. That is what I need.
So what do you want me to do?
I want you to give me that money. I don't care how you want to do it though. If it means you robbing a bank, I don't care. All I need is that 300,000 and you must give it to me. Rubbish. Okay. And this one fine, no? Baby, this one will keep face like waiting real. It's what happen. She, you know, send me money for that hair again. My supplier dey vex so. In the vex, he's not happy. You know, see answer the vex. Can't you see that I'm angry? Is it not Mike? Mike refused to give me common 300,000. I told Mike to give me 300,000 to buy hair. Not be say the hair na pure original like that oh. At least if you want to buy pure original, you could hold like 1.5, 3 million. That's all other men they give their babes now. It reached my turn. Mike tell me say I don't have money. I don't have money. Imagine. Mike said he doesn't have money. I just didn't look you. See yourself. I just didn't look you. I don't tell you since. Tete. Leave Mike. Move on. Leave Mike. Eh? You say no. I won't deal with Mike. Ordinary 300,000 Mike cannot give you. Ordinary 300K he cannot give you. Eh? Since you started dating Mike, what have you achieved? Sonia, I beg. I take God name beg you. No pull mouth for that side. No, just go there. You can see that I'm not in a good mood already. Eh? Now me dey inside relationship, now me know what they see. What about you? You don't have boyfriend, not even sugar. In fact, where you dey, you don't get anyone. As I dey like this, I better pass you with the relationship. If they come with the relationship, you go wrong, come out. Who you dey date? You dey date Mike. You go wrong, come out. Ordinary 300,000 now, you no fit afford. I dey date man, I dey relationship. As I dey like this now, it better for me. I better pass you with the relationship. At least I fit afford 300,000. I see you with your boyfriend, 300,000 you no fit afford. Me I dey here now. As I dey like this now, they find better country where I go enter this time. You take 300,000 for her, you no fit buy. Relationship people. Babe, come make I show you way. Come make I show you way. Let me show you light. The day here, the day relationship. One year, man, one no. Mike. Relationship, Mike. Boyfriend. Rubbish.
Psst. Trust you're not asleep yet? What now?
What's the meaning of this one? Eh? No, what's the meaning? Why are you touching me?
What kind of question is that? Of course I'm trying to make love to my girlfriend.
You are trying to make love to who? So if I open that, you will enter?
Are you serious right now?
Yes, I'm serious. See, nothing come out for you. No show. Until you give me the money I asked you to give me.
You can't be serious.
Yes, I'm damn serious. Let me tell you, nothing come out. If you don't give me that money, I swear, you will hear from me. If you touch me, I will break your head.
You can't be serious.
Try me. Don't give me money. Please don't touch me. Shift this thing. Don't want something to choke me on. Just stay on your own.
Hello, babes. How far? Where you dey? As I dey talk with you now, better parole dey. I don't want to talk too much. So just dress up, dress so sexy. Let's meet up, okay? All right. You dey feel am? You dey check am?
Who is this?
It's that guy from last night's party. He requested for your number and I gave him. Yes. Babes, you and I know that your bunga fish cannot take care of you. He can't take care of you. Dry bone shall rise again. This one is dry bone that will never rise again. He can't take care of you. He can't do anything for you. I've given you a good man now, better man with gallant that will take care of you. That will give you money, that will give you things. Babe, why is he no? Open your eye. No go for my hand, though. Open your eye, no go for hand. After they travel, make you for follow me travel, oh. Make for collect. See, but you don't let us see money for Bone Street. I know say you never see him. No need talk. You never see him. Dry bone that shall never rise again. Person boyfriend. They date Mike.
Where are you going to?
Oh, Sonia invited me for girls outing, so tell me, darling, how do I look?
Call her and cancel.
Excuse me?
I said call her and cancel. I do not want you hanging around with Sonia. She's been a bad influence on you. I need to stay away from her.
And why will I do that?
Look, Mira, I'm tired and I don't have time to fight. Please.
I don't choose your friends for you. So what makes you think that you would choose my friends for me?
Yes.
Babe, I need money to buy new clothes and shoes.
Come on, babes. You have a lot of clothes that you've not worn that are new. So what do you need new ones for again?
What's your business with the clothes that I have? I said I need new set of clothes and I'll be needing like 200,000.
Well, I don't have that kind of amount. When I get paid, I'll send you 50K.
50 what?
Upkeep, yes.
For what? Wait. What do you mean by 50K? I'm telling you now, you're walking away. I'm talking to you, you're walking away. I'm not a mad woman. I'm talking to you, I'm walking away. If you don't give me that 200,000, don't come back, oh. Just sleep in your office. Don't come back to this house. Nonsense, stingy man. Let me just sleep small. Oh my babe, just like that. One me, just like that.
What did I tell you? Just they play.
I dey play oh.
Just they play.
I dey play oh.
So where they tell you the Jones? Where they tell you the Jones? Now you don't see them.
I don't see them oh.
The streets they pay.
You dey pay oh.
You dey pay. You dey play. They should now you don't see them. Your body don't dey sweet.
My body dey do. It too sweet me I beg. Just like that. One
My sister, enjoy yourself. Enjoy.
I don't already enjoy now. You know as they be now. I never forget your percentage. When I reach house, I'll do your transfer.
Sharply now.
No problem.
Now body they sweet you.
They sweet me oh.
Body they sweet you.
And I may do the work now, so body go. Okay now, so later now.
All right.
That's true they go now.
Oh yeah now.
See ya.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
When I dey talk. Now boy don dey sweet am.
Just hold.
Money is good. Hey.
Mira.
What?
What's this?
What's what?
Where do you get the money to buy all this?
Is your money missing? It's not. So why are you asking me a question?
Is this the path you've chosen?
Yes! This is the path I've chosen. When I asked you to give me money to buy hair, what did you say? You did not even answer me. Now, I managed to buy all this. I did not even buy only hair. I bought bags. You can see everything I bought. So, they're paying you?
Well, if that's what you want to do, if that's the path you want to follow, please go ahead. We'll see where it lands you.
I have followed the path already. I have followed the path. You want to kill me with poverty, your plan will not work. If you like break that door, thank God say na your door. It's your money, it's not my business. Stingy man. You're so stingy. Give me money. You can never give me money for anything in this house. Give me money to buy hair. No. Give me money to even buy good food outside. No. You will tell me, I can cook. Nonsense. Stingy man. Rubbish. Hey, God, I'm going to rock. I'm so going to rock this my new hair. Hey! Sonia, all thanks to you. All thanks to Sonia. Happening, babe. I'm pregnant. Is everything? I am pregnant.
You go come out. Yes, you have to. But wait, who is responsible?
What kind of question is that one now? Who else if not Mike?
Mike. You go come out. Yes. You and I know that you're not ready to be a mother yet.
Babe, what I need is solution.
I don't tell you what I will tell you. This is a clue that I'm not welcomed. You need to do something about this. I'm leaving.
Where is she? Where is she?
She has gone.
I do not want to set my eyes on her in this house ever again. Do I make myself clear?
You can still make your point without trying to bring down the roof.
Mira, are you pregnant? Are we having a baby? Oh, this is the best news ever.
What's the best news? What are you talking about? Well, for your information, I terminated the pregnancy.
You said what?
I said I terminated the pregnancy.
You terminated my pregnancy without informing me? Who the hell do you think you are?
Oh, please. You can't even take care of me properly. And you want me to add a baby?
Please, get out of here.
Hey, I will leave.
Get out before I do something.
I will leave.
Get out! I've never laid my hands on her.
Oh, Jesus. Mira? What are you doing here? How did you get in here? Haven't you caused enough troubles already? What What do you want from me? What do you want?
Enough! Your consent should be what I'm here for.
Mira, what is it? What do you want? You have caused more than enough troubles. Please, leave me and my family alone. Leave us in peace, please.
You lie. I want you. You! I want you for myself.
What are you saying?
I want to spend forever with you.
Jesus Christ.
I love you, man. Can't you see?
What is wrong with you?
I want you. Listen, man. If I cannot have you, no woman ever have you.
Mira, for crying out loud, I'm your sister's husband. We are family. What has come over you? God, how did I get myself into this mess? Jesus Christ. Listen, I'm going upstairs now. By the time I'm back, I don't want to see you. I'm begging you for the last time.
Stop! Stop now. Stop or I kill myself.
Mira, just hold on, please, just relax, don't do it. Listen, wait, listen. There's more than enough troubles on the ground already. Please don't cause more trouble for me and my family. I'm begging you. Okay. I'll do anything you want. Just hold on, please. What do you want me to do? Just say it. No, please.
Go upstairs.
Please don't cause more. I'm going. Mira, please. I'm going. Yeah. Please, relax. Please. I'm going.
I love you, Ben. If I did not have you, nobody would have you. That was why I got you drunk on that fateful day. I have it all planned out in my head.
Why are you doing this?
Oh my God, Mira.
Babe.
Mira!
Don't come close to me.
You are sick in the head.
Don't come close.
Mira.
It's entirely your fault. You caused it all. You have always been the lucky one. I have always been so unlucky. I've been so unlucky with everything in life. This will not save you.
Mira, just put the knife down, okay? I've heard everything. I knew that you were pregnant and you aborted a child for Mike, and everything you've been saying, they're all lies. You need to stop now, please.
I said,
let's help you.
You've been walking around my business. Guess what? You will be the next after I kill him.
Please,
Stop, Mira.
stop.
Please.
Untie me, please, before.
Baby, please call the ambulance. Mira, please. Mira, please. Mira, please.
you.